Are you a Stardew Valley or Harvest Moon game fan? Have you ever wanted to create your own farming RPG game? Well, now you can. My name is Rob and I've built this course just for you. The course is massive. It has over 40 hours of detailed video tutorials and around 100 lectures to take you from a blank Unity project to a working game that implements many of the main systems you would expect to find. The course and accompanying project have taken me well over 1,000 hours to design and build, and all that knowledge and the completed Unity game source code are available to you to kickstart your game development project. If you take this course, we'll cover a lot of ground together. We'll set up the player character using the multi-level game object hierarchy that supports customizable movements and animations, including using animation override controllers. Next, we'll create game scenes using multi-layered tile maps to provide depth in the 2D environment, and use a Cinemachine camera to follow the player and remain within the scene bounds. As you would expect, we'll build comprehensive item and inventory systems and use scriptable objects and prefabs. A UI inventory bar will allow the player to view item details and enable picked up items to be dropped and rearranged. We'll show you how to create a game time system that generates time events for the game, and will implement a game clock UI. The game will have multiple scenes, and we'll build a fully functional scene manager to load and unload scenes as the player moves about, and we'll show you how to use C# interfaces to define how the state of game objects should be preserved between scenes. We'll implement hidden tile maps to save grid properties, such as where a player can drop an item or dig. Talking about digging, we'll implement a full range of tools that our player can use, not only to dig, but to water the ground, reap scenery, break stones, and chop down trees. Crops are at the centre of any farming RPG, and we'll build an extensive and configurable crop system that covers the planting, growing, and harvesting of crops. I could go on and talk in detail about object pooling, the visual effects manager and particle effects, the pause menu, the fully featured game save and load functionality, or the full character customization, the sophisticated A-star pathfinding for the NPCs and their time-based movement schedules, or the sound system we'll develop. Instead, if what I've talked about interests you and you want to join me in expanding your Unity skills, then why not take the course? I really hope you do, and I look forward to seeing you in the lectures.